Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a tornado warning for west central Grand Forks County in northeastern North Dakota, east central Nelson County in northeastern North Dakota, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Logan Center, or 35 miles west of Grand Forks, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near, later on around 8:05 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.